Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a couple slash best friend planet wallpaper on Picsart. So select the plus button here and select an image that you want to edit. I'm just going to choose this one, and then I'm going to select tools and I'm going to go and select stretch. Then I'm going to just swirl around. You can use the counterclockwise one or the clockwise kind of circle. I think you can also make this paintbrush bigger, but I can't do that. And I'm just going to swirl around. It's going to look like a planet later, so I'm just going to do that first. I know it looks kind of weird now, but just do that first. And go to tools, go to shape crop and choose the circle one and kind of resize it like so. Then press the next button here, delete the outline and press save. Go to stickers and search up crescent moon and choose this glow one and kind of adjust it where some of the glow will hit the shape. Then you're just going to select apply. Then I'm just going to go to tools again. I'm just going to then choose shape crop and choose the circle one. Oops, sorry. And choose the circle one to crop it again. Select next and delete the outline and press save. And as you can see, there's sort of this white kind of outline that makes it look more like a planet. So I just created another one, but what I'm going to do now is add in a background to the picture. I'm just going to use this one. Then I'm going to add in the pictures. So select add photo and add the planets that we made. I'm just going to zoom in on this one and add it here. And I'm going to make this one really big. I'm just going to put it to the left. You can have as many planets as you want and as little as you want to. It is completely up to you. And then I'm just going to select apply. You can also add in a planet ring if you want from stickers. Planet ring. And I'm just going to add this planet ring. You can add whichever one you want. And I'm just going to resize it, of course, and have it here. And I'm just going to erase this part. And after that, you're just going to press the check mark button to apply. And you're just going to save it. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, there's a thanks button, so please click that. It will mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!